Hello, children. Hi. Happy New Year to all. I hope you all enjoyed the Christmas and New Year holidays. Yes. Oh, good. And now, welcome back to our computer class. And today we are continuing with the Microsoft PowerPoint, but the new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, text in PowerPoint. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can insert the text and what are the formatting we can do for the text inside the PowerPoint. Shall we watch? Yes. So now let's start the chapter 7, text in PowerPoint. So we are going to learn how we can insert the text in a PowerPoint presentation. Before that, let us learn what are the thumb rules to create an effective slide. So while creating a presentation, a few things we need to keep in mind to make a presentation more interesting and attractive. What are the thumb rules? The first rule is one slide should discuss only one topic or one subtopic. So when we are making a presentation, see, this is a one slide. In this slide, I am discussing about only one topic. So whenever we create any presentation, the one slide should discuss about only one topic or the subtopic. And the second rule is each slide in a presentation should have short and precise text. For example, when I ask you to make a presentation on any topic, you'll get as information from the internet or even from different sources like textbook and everything. You should not type everything, whole paragraph in the slide. You have to understand that paragraph and type only a key sentences or the summary of that paragraph in the presentation. So each slide should have only short and precise text, like how we made a bulleted list and like that. Don't write a lengthy paragraphs in the slide. And the third rule is make the presentation readable. You should use a pleasant colors, either it might be a background color or the text color. Don't use like too dark colors, both the text and as well as the background. Then it will distract the reader's attention. It should be a more readable form. And the fourth point is make sure you use a simple formatting so that it should not distract the readers. Like too many formatting, if I like add all the shapes, pictures, images as a background, and then on top of that if I write some text, it distract the reader. It should be a simple formatting while making a presentation. And the fourth one is use images or pictures only if needed. Only wherever you feel like a pictures or the images to be inserted, then you need to insert the pictures. Otherwise, make it with a simple text and with a simple formatting. So, is this 5 thumb rules are clear for everyone? What are those? First one slide should discuss about only one topic and each slide should have a short and precise text. Third one, it should be a readable form with a simple formatting so that it will not distract the readers. And fourth, use only the images and pictures if needed. So I hope you'll all follow the next time when I ask you to make a presentation. Yes, children? Yes, good. Keep this in your mind while making any presentation for any topic, for any subject. And now let us see what are the steps to insert a text box? What are the steps we need to follow to insert the text box? The first one, click on the Insert tab, and then second point, in the text group, click the text box option, and the third point, the mouse pointer will changes to a sword symbol. You all know the symbol of the sword, right? Yes, when I click on the text box option, the mouse pointer symbol will changes, and then move the pointer to the place on the slide where we want to add a text box. I need to move the mouse pointer on the slide where I want to insert the text box, and then I need to click and drag. Click means which button? Yes, left mouse button. Click the left mouse button, hold it. When I say drag means you need to hold it and then drag the mouse on the slide to insert the text box. Once if you feel the text box is of required size, then we need to release the left mouse button. So these are all the 6 simple steps we need to follow to insert a text box. Without a text box, I cannot write any text on the slide. Let's see how we are going to insert. Okay, see, this is the one blank slide, and for this, now if I want to insert a text box, I'll click on the Insert tab. Yes, and then under the text group, I need to choose the text box option. If I click on text box and see my mouse pointer now on the screen, can everyone able to see? Yes, the mouse pointer changes to a sword symbol, and then I'll just click and hold the left mouse button and drag it. Once if you are getting a desired text box size, release the mouse button. So is this clear? Just once again I'll show you. Insert tab, and then text box. The mouse pointer changes to sword. Click and then drag. The text box is inserted. Okay, after the inserting a text box, I can even resize the text box. Okay, you all know what are these? Corner handle. Okay, the corner handles are mainly used to resize the text box, and this we call it as rotation handle. I can rotate, and I'll just want to write a text inside. So first I'll write the text, welcome. Yes, and I can increase the text box size, or even I can rotate the text box. Okay, is this clear? Yes. And now let's see how we can delete the text box. Steps to delete are repositioning the text box. Steps to reposition the inserted text box. First step, we need to click on the text box and then move the mouse pointer over the border of the text box. When we move the mouse pointer will changes to a 4-headed arrow. Then I need to click and drag the text box to the new location. Okay, 4 simple steps. First I need to select the text box, and then I need to move the mouse pointer to the border of the text box, and then the pointer will changes to 4-headed arrow, and after that I need to click and drag to reposition the text box. And to delete the text box, Simple, I can select the text box and then press the delete key on the keyboard. Okay, let's see the steps procedure for that. See, now this is the text box. I have just clicked on the text box, and if I move the mouse pointer to the border, can you just see my mouse pointer is changed to four-headed arrow. Then I can click and move this. Okay, wherever I want, I can just move the text box. I can reposition the text box, even this or even that. Okay, yes. And if I want to delete this text box, I need to click on the text box and make sure you are selecting a text box. When you are selecting a text box, if there is a dotted line, you have selected only a text inside the text box. But if it is a dark rectangle, then you are selecting the text box and then press the delete key. The text box will be deleted. Okay, yes, I think now the steps are clear. See, for this, what are the formatting? What is meant by a formatting, children? Yes, making changes to the text, make changes for the text, its appearance, like changing the font style, size, color. All this will comes under the formatting. Even the positioning of the text also comes under the formatting. So, whatever the formatting tools which we learned in MS Word, all the formatting features we can apply even in the PowerPoint. See, like if I want to change the size, I'll click on Home tab and I'll just increase the size of the font. To fit that text, and just increasing the size of the text box also. And if I want to change the color, I can just change the color of the text. And if I want to add more effects, then I can click on format and I'll get still more effects for the text, like word art styles. I can apply to this text box. So these are all the text formatting I can do. Even if you want to fill the color of the text box, you can just fill the shape. Any color. And outline also you want to give with the color, you can go with the outline color. And thickness of the outline. So I hope you all learnt about this formatting in MS Word for the shapes. You can add all those effects here now. So I can add a shape effects, I can add a shape outline, I can add the shape fill and the text fill, text outline, or even I can go with the word art styles. So now it is clear for you how to insert the text box and how to reposition the text box, and what are the formatting can be done to the text which is there inside the text box. Yes. And now if I want to add one more text box and to add all the bulleting and numbering, can we add? Yes, we can add. Tell me where are the bullets and numbering will be present. Yes, the bullets and numbering are present under the Home tab, paragraph group. So Home tab, paragraph group. So first I will insert the text box. So I'll write the name of the classes whom I want to welcome. Class 4A, Class 4B, Class 4C. I just want to welcome and write some text like this. And if I want to add a bulleted list, I have to select the text first. Under the Home tab, click on Bullets. Or if I want a numbering, I can add a numbering also. And even I can increase the size also. So this is how I can insert the bullets and numbering. I hope is this clear, children, for you? Yes. I hope this is clear, and in the next class still we are going to learn more formatting tools, like how we can change the bulleted styles, change case options, and what are the other formatting can be done to the text. So till that, you keep practicing this, and please brush up your concepts which we learned in MS Word. What are the formatting options we can do for the text, like word art styles or even shape styles also. Will you all practice, children? Yes, very good. And let's watch a small video, and then again we'll meet in the next video. Until that, take care. Bye, children.